Hello everyone. Again, I have an alternator here. This was our mechanic. He removed from our small excavator, Caterpillar 301C baby excavator. So they told me the excavator it is not starting or what. And also even before he is the mechanic on the side, he put charging the battery. It is started for one whole day. But after that, by the next day, the machine is not starting. So they remove this the dynamo. So they bring it up to me. So what I do right now, I'm just removing the regulator. Okay, and I just wanted to see the and then clean up the corrosion or what, and then we will testing it. Maybe it's something corrosion only because the dynamo it is look uh, new. Okay, there is some corrosion as you can see right now. So we will going to clean it by a steel brush. Okay, so this dynamo it is you can use also for a small like a Toyota because this is a Denso, sorry, Denso. The mounting it is same as a Toyota. Okay, so we can use this the dynamo for Toyota. uh, you know what is my basis, like for example if I want to fix at any type of brand or what, I'm just only looking the mounting it will can possibly fix, so I will make a other way or other type of wiring just to use the dynamo for some other type of machine. Now I'm here on the battery. In this video, if you don't know, if you don't have multi-tester, multi-tester, sorry, so you can use directly to the battery. You know how? As you can see, I put one blue wire and one test bulb. Test bulb, as you can see right now. See, just to check the diode or the coil it first, the armature coil. We will check if the continuity it is a good or a good contact. Visually, the coil inside is it look like not burned, so I'm only just checking if the coil is not broken or lost connection. See, the bulb is lighting. Okay, that means the coil is good. So I will check the diode. The next is a diode rectifier to make it the polarization of the diode or if it is not shorted or leak, or if there is a leak, so in the other side, like for example right now it is lighting, that is the normal direction of the diode must be coming light. Okay, that means I'm in a positive position. The battery terminal, so if you check by opposite side, the light must be not switch, not lighting. It is not showing light, so you can see. I'm sorry. The dynamo is touching the terminal clip of my bulb tester, so it is coming spark. So you can see no light. Okay, meaning to say the rectifier it is good. So there's no any shorted diode. Okay, I'm checking right now. It is positive. Okay, so we will check the negative diode. So we'll check through grounding. This is just a simple way if you don't have multi-tester. Okay, so that means there's no something is wrong on my bulb tester. Maybe the bulb is and now, so finish testing of the rectifier and the armature coil. So the next, I'm going to assemble it. You can see I'm going to put the screws. Must be complete screws and then tight it well to make it the contact of both terminal both connection will be in a good connections. Make it sure that every screws that you could fix, there's no play on the both facing of the eye lag or the connection, something like that. And then make it sure all the screws is good tight. So at this moment, I'm just only showing how to simple checking the dynamo, okay, alternator rather. So this alternator is small size, is around 50 amperes. Okay, I must be completely fix the screws before I'm going to testing. Make it sure that every screws is good tight. Okay, you know, sometimes it is happen on the dynamo, just only lost connections. I didn't see the machine, so what I do, I thought it is only little problem. So that's why I inspect everything and then remove some screws and then clean up and check the diodes or rectifier. Even the carbon brush is okay. I forget to show that the carbon brush is okay because the brush leads that I was checked, brush leads of the armature is good. Okay, now it's almost finished. So the next is the next way. What to do is I'm going to bring in my testing machine. Make that machine. Okay, it is already started. I forget to show you something. It is a very simple tester. You see, one dynamo. This dynamo was a motor I get from a water pump. So I cut the water pump mounting and then I make a pulley. Yes, from battery. See, I'm showing right now the process. To the ignition. As you can see that this side, the big hole, it is for the battery connection. Okay, the vertical or horizontal something. That is a battery connection, and then the other side for the light. Okay, that is a bulb or an indicator. So I'm showing actual testing. As you can see, the bulb is lighting. So we'll start. The light will shut off. Okay, meaning to say the dynamo is good. Okay, it is running well. So the next step, I have to put my multimeter to check the charging output together with the battery charging. So you can see the battery and then the wiring that I used before. More than 5 years right now is testing simple testing. I didn't make it properly put the wiring. Not together. It is good because I know how to testing. I know what is the wiring connection, so the testing process is easy for me. So the next step is a multi-tester just to check the output. Okay. Okay, now that's the battery connection. One wire battery connection. In the machine, it is a ignition. Okay, that is the ignition switch. Once the switch on, okay, that is the diagram. The ignition and light. Okay, ignition switch on. The supply will come on that ignition from the ignition. Okay, sorry. And then the bulb lights or the bulb indicator is the other side. So once the switch on, must be the bulb or the indicator must be switching on until the engine will is started or running. So must be the light will switch off or the indicator. Sorry. So now you can see I think lost connection. Still lost connection. But don't worry. We'll arrange the problem. My tester terminal is lost connection. Don't worry, as you can see the charging it is good, and then testing as you will see not charging right now, and then I will put it back the wire or the pin, and then again it is charging. Okay, that's the wire that came from the ignition or the wiring diagram connections. When you switch on the ignition, that wire that came from the switch on. So meaning to say, when you switch off the wire, that wire must be no power, or else the battery will be discharged. That's the indicator. Okay, there's no any reaction once did you remove the wire from the lights, because it's already electric inside, or the voltage inside is already energized. Even you remove that wire, there's nothing reaction on the charging. That's only just indicator. It will automatically off the lights. That's only indicates the dynamo. It's meaning it is charging. Okay, see, I remove the wire from the lights. There's no any reaction or changing of charging of the alternator. Still the same, even you remove that wire. That's only indicator. Okay, that's only indicator. Unless if you remove the wire that came from the ignition, so the charging will be changed, or the dynamo is it is not charging, because that wire is producing supply to switch on the regulator and energize the coil of the armature, the rotor, sorry. Okay, so I hope that everyone in this video will learn this is a little tutorial, or it is not exactly tutorial. I'm just only showing how to testing the dynamo from the removal of the screws and cleanup. I'm sorry for everyone that they want to see the exact and proper way, but next time I will make complete video for dismantling and assemble, and also how to repair, how to check. Okay, we hope that this video will help for someone it is a little understanding about the dynamo, or totally no understand how to repair the dynamo. So in this video, I hope that everyone will help by looking up my video, And I'm hoping also that some of the people that's facing this type of dynamo, they can get an idea how to testing and dismantling. Okay, thank you for watching. uh, Please subscribe my channel, so if you think that this video is helpful. Okay, everyone, thank you again. And then also thank you for all the subscriber that was continuously following my video, and the other people that's newly subscribed my channel. I hope you enjoy watching my video. Even these videos is short, and it is like not the same as the other blogger.